Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today I want to give a big shout out to Mirta. She had a great idea to turn my anodized aluminum eyeglass holder into a mask holder. I'm going to link up below the tutorial for the anodized aluminum wire eyeglass holder. What you're going to need to transform it into a mask holder is some hooks. I have lobster clasps or small lanyard style clasps. I have some jump rings. And if you want to make it adjustable, I have a little rubber tubing and just a thin piece of wire to string it onto the cord. All you have to do is open up these loops and remove the finding for the eyeglass holder. And then we're going to close the loop up again. Get a jump ring, open it up, get your lobster clasp and string it on the jump ring. And then just pop it onto that loop and close it up. Once you have the hooks on, you can adjust the length. You can either remove some of these pieces if it's too long. Often mask holders are shorter than eyeglass holders. You can replace this cord so it's shorter. You can tie a knot in the cord so it's shorter. Or I have a little hack. You can get a little rubber tube. You can get a 24 gauge wire. Just stick it on that cord. Make sure these are centered. Take the little tube and stick it onto the wire. Get your flat pliers just to pull it on. Remove that and see, this is tight enough that it will hold in place. And all you have to do now is open up the lobster clasp and stick it right on there, and the other one on the other side, and there you go. So you can see it is pretty long. I would definitely make it shorter, but just to show you how it works, you just put it up over your nose. These ones just dangle at the side, and you could take a few of the links off to make it shorter.